Let's explore how to add emojis to your HTML content. Emojis can add a fun and expressive touch to your websites. Here are some examples such as a smiley face, a rocket, a computer, and a rainbow. There are a couple of ways to add emojis to your HTML. First, you can use direct Unicode. This involves inserting emoji characters directly into your HTML code. For example, you can write a paragraph tag that says, "I love coding," followed by the computer emoji, or a heading that says, "Welcome to my page," followed by a waving hand emoji. Secondly, you can use HTML entities. This involves using HTML decimal or hexadecimal entities. For example, you can represent a star using ampersand #9733 semicolon, a smiley face using ampersand #128512 semicolon, or a heart using ampersand #x2764 semicolon. Let's explore some more advanced ways to add emojis to your HTML. Firstly, you can use the CSS content property. This involves using CSS to insert emojis via the content property. For example, you can define a CSS rule for a class named EmojiStar and use the content property with the Unicode value \2b50 to insert a star emoji before the element. Similarly, you can use the content property with the Unicode value \2764 to insert a heart emoji after an element with the class EmojiHeart. Secondly, you can use JavaScript insertion. This allows you to dynamically insert emojis using JavaScript. For example, you can add an emoji to an HTML element with the ID greeting using the inner HTML property. You can also use the string.fromCodePoint method to insert an emoji using its code point. It's important to consider browser support when using emojis in HTML to ensure that they display correctly for all users. All major browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Opera, offer full support for emojis. However, it's important to keep the following considerations in mind. Emoji appearance can vary across operating systems and browsers. Older browsers may display emojis as empty boxes or question marks. Some emojis may not be supported on all platforms. Consider using fallback text for critical information to ensure that your message is conveyed, even if the emoji does not display correctly. To effectively use emojis in HTML, consider these best practices. Firstly, use emojis purposefully to enhance content, not replace it. Secondly, consider accessibility by providing text alternatives for emojis. Thirdly, maintain consistency in emoji usage throughout your site. Fourthly, be aware of cultural differences in emoji interpretation. Finally, test emoji rendering across different devices and platforms. Here are a couple of examples. A good example would be contact us for support call at our helpline, or new feature alert. Sparkles. Try our updated dashboard. An example to avoid would be excessive use of random emojis, or using emojis in place of words. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.